Familiarizing yourself with the wiring methods of different types of photocontrols helps you accurately install and configure them. Let's look at the standard diagrams. First is the twist lock photocell. The NEMA 3-pin socket is widely used in street lighting and parking lots. The standard wire color codes are black for live, white for neutral, and red for load. For smart street lighting systems, the NEMA 7-pin socket adds dimming wires like violet and pink for dimming control. Next are button and wire-in photocontrols, which are widely used for porch lights and barn lights. They follow the same 3-wire color code. We offer custom terminal blocks, split wire-in, and wall-mounted designs for installation flexibility. For home lighting, the bulb holder photocell works directly with E26 and E27 screw-in sockets. Our spring-type models even offer a 360-degree range of adjustment. Finally, the Zhaga connector. It is connected in parallel with the lamp's power circuit. This simplifies the installation process, as it does not require complex modifications to the lamp's circuitry. For safe installation, always turn off the power supply, ensure proper grounding, and choose the right photo control for your environment. Trust Lead Top for reliable lighting solutions.
Lead Top, your flexible OEM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.